Hey there. I noticed you've been working hard to improve your English skills. How's that going?
Hi. Yeah, I've been trying my best, but I still feel like my English speaking isn't as good as I want it to be.
Don't worry, I'm here to help. You know, when it comes to speaking English fluently, grammar isn't as important as you might think.
Really? But I've always heard that grammar is super important for speaking correctly.
Well, yes and no. Grammar is definitely important for writing and understanding English, but when it comes to speaking, it's more about getting your message across clearly and being understood by others.
That makes sense. So, what's the best way to improve my English speaking then?
The best way to improve your English speaking is through practice and exposure. You need to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible.
How can I do that?
Well, one thing you can do is to watch English movies and TV shows with subtitles. This will help you get used to the sounds and rhythms of the language.
I've tried that before, but I always get so caught up in trying to understand the words that I forget to pay attention to the pronunciation and intonation.
That's okay. It takes time to get used to it. Another thing you can do is to listen to English music and podcasts. This will help you improve your listening skills and expose you to different accents and vocabulary.
That sounds like a fun way to learn. Do you have any recommendations for English songs or podcasts?
Sure. For songs, there are many more singers. Some popular artists like Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift, or Adele. As for podcasts, there are plenty of options available. You can choose out of them in which you have interest.
I'll definitely check those out. Thanks for the suggestions. What more should I do for becoming fluent in English speaking? Can you guide me?
Yes, definitely. You should try speaking English as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. Practice speaking with friends, family members, or language exchange partners.
That sounds like a good idea, but I'm always worried about making mistakes and sounding silly.
Don't worry about that. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning a language. The important thing is to keep practicing and learning from your mistakes. Plus, most people will be impressed that you're making an effort to speak their language.
I guess you're right. I'll try to be more confident and not worry too much about making mistakes. Thanks for the encouragement.
No problem. Just remember to be patient with yourself and keep practicing regularly. Learning a new language takes time and effort, but with dedication, you'll get there.
Thanks for all the advice. I feel more motivated to keep working on my English speaking now.
You're welcome. I'm here to help anytime you need it. Keep up the good work, and don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions or need more guidance.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. I'll make sure to reach out if I need any more help. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck with your English learning journey. I know you'll do great.